To completely enable or completely disable Gemini or Google Assistant on Xiaomi 15 Ultra, first we need to go to settings. Then over here we want to scroll down and choose Google, and then we want to go to all services and choose search, assistant and voice. Now here is the important part. If you use Gemini, if you have Gemini activated instead of Google Assistant, the classic one, first we need to switch Gemini to Google Assistant. So what we can do is we can, for example, go to Gemini in this case, but actually I have it disabled, so we can go to Google Assistant as well. It doesn't really matter which one we choose. But essentially, by going into Gemini or Google Assistant, you want to find the digital assistants from Google. It should be available in both cases. And then here you can switch to Google Assistant. So once you have Google Assistant, or if you already had Google Assistant, now we can completely turn off the digital Google Assistant. And to do so, what you need to do is go to the Google Assistant settings. And then over here, we need to scroll down to find General, and then you should be able to find Google Assistant option. We can tap on the switcher to completely turn off Google Assistant or re-enable it in the future. Apparently, if you use Gemini, then this switcher is not available here and you cannot really turn it off. If that is the case, then just do those steps that I had shown you in this video. Just first switch from Gemini to Google Assistant, and then you can go here in order to turn on or off the digital assistant. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!